Welcome to Awesome Cat. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. In this video, we will write a C++ function to replace a substring of a string with another string. First, I will include IOStream. And include a string. And then add our main function. Which returns 0. And here I'm going to add a function named replace string. Also, I'm going to add using namespace std. And now this function will return a string. Replace str for a string, and it will take a original string. And then it will take a replace string, the substring we want to replace. And this will be string replace string. And constant string with string. We will use a find function of a string to find a substring within a string. There should be a space after this. And with the string over here too. And now we are going to use the find function. And it will give us a position. So this will be of size t position and our original strings. And then I'm going to use find function, and the string we want to replace, so this will be replace string. And we are going to check if position is not equal to string and pause, or we don't need to write string with it. Oh, maybe string and pause. I will just use the full std. We don't require this, just for easy understanding where it's coming from. And because I'm also using namespace std. So however, here we are checking if the position is not the end of the string. And pause is a constant static member value with the greatest possible value for an element of type size t. This value, when used as the value for a length parameter in string member functions, means until the end of the string. And now we are going to call the replace function of our string. Replace function replaces the portion of the string that begins at character position and span length character. So we need to pass in the position and the length. So this will be original string dot replace, and here we are going to pass in the position and the length of the string. Replace string dot length, the length function. And the string we want to replace with, that will be our with the string. And at the end of the function, we are just going to return our string. And now we are going to test this function from our main. And in our main, we have the string, original string, set to this is a testing. And then we have string replace, and this is set to, we are going to replace testing with the string this will be our test. So we are going to replace this substring testing to test. So we have this replace string and the string we are going to replace with. And now we are going to call our replace string function. Replace string. And we are going to pass in original string, replace string, and with string. And we are just going to print the result also, the return value. So I'm just gonna use cout here, and then end of line. And now we can run our program and check the results. Need to fix this one. I'm not using edge here. So, and just run our code and check that. And here is the output of our replaced string. First, our original string was this is testing, and now we have this is test. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.